Hey everyone, do you need to quickly send photos, videos, or files from one iPhone to another? Today, I'm going to show you how to airdrop from iPhone to iPhone in just under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, let's make sure airdrop is turned on. Swipe up from the bottom corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Now press and hold the network settings box where Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons are and tap airdrop. Select either contacts only or everyone to make sure your iPhone is visible to the other device. Next, go to the app or photo that you want to share. Let's say we're sending a photo. Open your Photos app and find the picture that you want to share. Tap the share icon, which looks like a square with an upward arrow. Now, look for the person's iPhone that you want to send it to. You'll see the device appear under the airdrop section. Tap on the device and they'll get a notification asking to accept or decline. Once they accept, the transfer will start immediately. And just like that, your photo or file is sent. And that's it. You've successfully used airdrop to send files from one iPhone to another. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.